Those final adjustments on the flat.
Did it help? That landing was perfect.
That made that landing come in just right.
Okay. So we gotta wait. There you go. That's the thing most people do. Way too much. You don't need a lot. It came just in perfect. I saw it. You got the nose up and everything. It was good. Right. Right. So you ready? Booty. So you got the battery where it's supposed to go? Okay. Okay. Push it all together. You got it?
I can't.
Want me to do it?
I think I can.
You got it? Okay, good. Then plug in your little burner. Okay. That plugs in to make sure it's the right polarity. Is it right? Okay. There you go. That's in. You can't, but some people will force it when it's not supposed to. You did it right.
I always check my watch.
You did, and you've done really good. Alright, let's go. Ooh, you have it set for with the throttle cut off. Okay, good. Nice. Got it? Okay.
Everything should work.
Okay. Good. We're all good, ready to go. You did all your pre-flights. You're good. The wind's perfect. It is. Oh, there's always better to have a little wind. It makes your ground speed lower for takeoff. Oh, full power. Nice. Woohoo! You okay? What's going on? Oh, that's you. Okay. Ooh, there's burner. You can see the afterburner. Good. It's what? What do you mean? Maybe your trim is off, because you should be able to pull up. Okay. Huh. Maybe something's a little twisted. That could be what the problem is.
Right on this. Like trying to play backwards.
There we go. Cool. Flying right around 50%. Gonna land already? You've got 2 minutes. is kind of weird. There you go. Very nice. Very nice. What the heck? Very nice, Mr. Jack. Whoop.
As you can see, the plane actually does look bent.
Yeah, it's a little bit. It's not too bad. Hit your throttle cut and then turn on your afterburner. There you go. Cool.
Then we will turn it.
There you go. Cool.
And that won't flicker. Wait, is it flickering?
Not yet. Just get a little throttle. That's all right. That's good enough. We're good. Cool.